youtube.com/rejects. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my eBay business. And it's been a little while. I actually went on a week-long vacation. We went camping and had a really great time. It was a little warm, but got a lot of exercise, did some hiking, boating, a lot of good stuff. So happy to be back, and we made some sales, so ready to get the eBay business rolling again. So let's start fulfilling some orders. Just a quick little public service announcement here. This scale that I bought on Amazon for 60 bucks is currently on sale for, I think, $35. I'm not sure how long the sale is going to run for, but this is very helpful if you're packing like bigger shipments, because the scale itself is separate from the screen. So I could just put like a large box on the scale and then have this separate. Like if I was shipping a VCR, it'd be obviously a really large box. So just stack it on there and get to check out the screen. So I'll leave a link in the description below to the scale. If it's still on sale, feel free to pick it up if it's something that's going to be useful for your eBay business. All right, so the first thing that we sold, you'll never believe this actually, it's the Hooked on Phonics set that we got at the Goodwill bargain bins. I think we sold this for 20-something dollars. I had $7 into this trip. I picked up this and a breast pump, so I probably got this around $5. So pretty good profit margin there. Let's see here. Sold it for $26.99 and the buyer paid shipping. So very happy with this sale. I included a bunch of different pictures because I don't believe this is a complete set, and I indicated that everything that is pictured is included. So really happy about that purchase. We had that for about 2 months and it sold. So sweet deal. So next thing we sold here is this Yu-Gi-Oh starter pack. Now I actually picked this up at Walmart. It was on clearance. I think I have about $7 into this, and it sold for, I do believe, it sold for $19.95, and I will be paying for shipping. I am assuming that shipping for this will cost around $3, so $10 overall. I made about an $8 to $9 profit on this, so very easy flip. I used to play Yu-Gi-Oh cards back in the day, and was very happy to see one of these things again. So don't underestimate the sourcing at Walmart. All right, last thing we sold was a game, so I need to go over to the classic game box over here, the Office Depot box. Let's see here. There it is. All right, so sold this copy of Rampage on the Wii. I do believe it sold for $11.99, and that's with free shipping because that's what everyone else was offering. Let me just double check to make sure. Okay, yep, definitely sold for $11.99 with free shipping. Again, I am anticipating that this will cost around $3 to ship. So picked this up for 50 cents. This was in that bundle of games I got at a garage sale for a really good deal. So very easy profit there. Hey guys, just something I forgot to put in the video. I sold a PlayStation 2 Grand Theft Auto San Andreas with the poster inside. So I picked this up at a thrift store for about $2, sold it for $9.99, and the buyer paid shipping. All right, so let's get to packing some orders here. We're gonna package the Wii Game first. So let's see how much it weighs. Weighs about 4 ounces, so I'm gonna be paying shipping regardless. So we're gonna bump that up to 8 ounces. And let's use one of the poly bags because this was a rather cheap sale. Anything over, I think about 15 bucks, I'll use one of these bubble mailers. But as you can see, they are a little bit more expensive, so I don't tend to use these as often. But if I'm offering free shipping, and this will help me bring the weight down to anything between 0 to 4 ounces is a level, so that's usually around $2 to $3. And everything 4 to 8 ounces is another tier of shipping, so that typically costs around $3 to $4. So if I could lower the weight by using one of these bags, I 100% will. But since I'm going to be shipping this out in a tier of 8 ounces, I'm just going to be using one of these bags and throwing in some bubble wrap. So just reusing previous packing material here. I'm just going to wrap this up. As you can see. And there we go. Have this item perfectly wrapped up. Going to be throwing it into the poly mailer here. That's what I love about ordering my supplies off of Amazon, because I get free boxes basically every time I order, and occasionally we'll get some bubble wrap. And just like that, we have the Wii Game perfectly packaged and ready to go. Alright, so I'm not sure where my highlighter got to, so I'm gonna have to remember that this is the Wii Game. Yu-Gi-Oh! Starter Deck. Ooh, it weighs 3.9 ounces. So again, this will be something that I will have to bump up, but since this is something so small, it'd be kind of weird to throw it in one of the poly bags, so I'm going to throw it in this bubble mailer here. As you can see, it pretty much just slides right on in there, pretty easy. That's what I love about these bubble bags. So just tear this off right here. And boom. Just like that, easy packing. All right, so let's see here. So this is gonna be something that's interesting to pack. I think this Amazon box will fit nicely. Let's see here, yeah, it about fits onto there. Tear the previous shipping label off of there. All right. Oh, look at that. That fits nice and snug. All right, so I'm just gonna throw some void fillers here along the corners. Probably gonna be bubble wrap or grocery bag, something along those lines. Again, just previous packing material that I have. As you can see, you just have it a lot of stuff just around the corners just to make sure that there's not much shifting going on during transit. So, sweet stuff. Alright, and just like that, we have our orders all packed and ready to go. Alright, and there they are. The product is complete. Now I just have to weigh these and slap the shipping label on them and get them shipped out. So I just had a quick question to ask you guys. Do you guys prefer long videos? Because I know some resellers, they upload from like 10 to 20 minute long videos. Or do you guys prefer shorter videos like this one where it's very short and condensed? If you guys like shorter videos, I'll be able to upload more frequently, and I'll try to aim for the ballpark of like 5 to 10 minutes, around that range. So let me know if you guys like longer videos or shorter videos. And if you guys notice I'm sweating a little bit, it is really hot because this is just the upstairs of my garage and there's no AC, all windows are closed, and it's summertime, so I might have to come up with a temporary space inside the house. Maybe I'll add like a listing space downstairs in the basement. Next video will probably include that because I just can't keep staying out here and dying, so I have a little bit of a shipping station inside as well, so stay tuned for that. If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.